Hi children. Today I will explain about the remaining examples from IUPAC nomenclature. This is the first one today. This is the given structure. In this structure, first our role is first checking any functional group is there, no functional group. Any multiple bond is there, no multiple bond. Any substitution is there. Yes, clearly this is looks like a main chain, and these two are substitutions. These two are substitutions because it contains CH3, it contains CH3. But of course, we can take like this also, main chain like this also. These two are acts as substitutions. Both are same. And also, this one is taken as main chain, and these two also taken as substitutions. No problem, right? Because this chain contains 5 carbons. This chain also contains 5 carbons. This chain also contains 5 carbons. Okay, now, so identification of substitutions completed. Now give the numbering. So numbering means substitutions are there. Those substitutions must be have the lowest number. Give the lowest number. So this is 1, this is 2, this is 3, this is 4, and this is 5. Right? Now write the name. What is the name are the first substitutions? Next number of carbons. Next bond type. Last one functional group. Okay, first substitutions. Substitutions are there. 2 substitutions. These 2 are methyl groups, and these 2 are attached to the same carbon. The carbon number is 2. So write 2, 2. Because 2 methyl groups are there, that's why I write 2, 2 dimethyl. Most of the students write in only 2. That is wrong. Mention how many substitutions are there. Write the number of each substitution. Right? So 2, 2 dimethyl. Substitution part completed. Next, number of carbons in the main chain. This is the main chain. In this one, how many carbons are there? 5 carbons are there. So pent. And next one, bond type. Bond type means only single bonds are there. So ane, pent, ane. Last one functional group, but there is no functional group. Completed. Come to the next second one. Right. In this one, is there any functional group? Yes, no functional groups, no multiple bonds. Again, only substitutions are present. It is very clear. These are the substitutions. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are substitutions, and these 3 are only methyl groups. Now, how to give the numbering? Okay, from this side, 1, 2, 3. In third position, substitution is started. From this side, 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth position, substitutions are started. So, but we must follow the lowest sum rule. So, give from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Numbering also completed. So, numbering also completed means write the name. For the name, what is the first one? Substitutions. 1, 2, 3. 3 substitutions are there. One substitution present at third position, 3, and another one fourth position. These 2 are fourth position, 3, 4, 4, and these 3 are same. So that's why try. Now you are writing like this means if the substitutions are same, write numbers directly like that. If the substitutions are different, give the number for the each substitution, right? So 3, 4, 4, trimethyl. How many carbons in the long chain? 7 carbons. So heptane. Because bond type only single bonds, no functional group. Completed. Come to the third one. In this third one, no functional group, no multiple bond, only substitutions are present. What are the substitutions here? Here, one substitution. Here, one substitution is present. This substitution name is methyl but this substitution name is, how many carbons are there? 2 carbons are there. So ethyl. This is methyl and this is ethyl. Then how to give the numbering? From which side? Which side means from this side 1, 2 at second position substitution is attached. From this side 1, 2, 3 at third position substitution is attached. Okay, right. So give numbering from this side 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. How to write the name? First write the substitution. What is the substitution name? Methyl. What is the substitution name? Ethyl. So if more than one substitutions are present and the substitutions are different, then maintain the alphabetical order. What is that one? Alphabetical order. So this one name is ethyl, so starts from E. This one name is methyl, starts from M. So in alphabetical order, E comes first. So this ethyl group is attached at the 4th carbon. So 4 ethyl. 4 ethyl. First substitution completed. Another substitution attached at 2nd carbon. So 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Substitution part is completed. Next number of carbons. How many carbons are present at the main chain? 6 carbons. So hex. And what type of bonds? Only single bonds. So AN. And functional group. Last one, there is no functional group. Right? Third one also completed. Now come to the fourth one. Now again, you have to maintain a perfect order. Okay, first one, functional group, no. Multiple bonds, no. Substitutions present. So identify the substitutions. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is another substitution. Now give the numbering. From which side we have to prefer? From this side, 1, 2, third position substitutions are present. From that side, 1, 2 at second position is present. So from which side means from that side, give the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Numbering completed. Now write the name. Write the name means what you have to follow. First substitutions. Once check the names on substitutions. This is halogens type. For halogens, how to write that one means halo. Write the name as a halo. For bromine, bromo. For chlorine, chloro. And for CH3, what is the name? Methyl. So in these three, based on alphabetical order, we have to write. Bromo starts from B, chloro starts from C, methyl starts from M. So write first this one. This one is attached at the 4th position. So 4 bromo. 4 bromo. Completed. And the chloro second one attached at 4th position is also 4 chloro. Completed. Third one, another substitute is also there, that is attached at the 2nd carbon. So 2 methyl. 2 methyl. Okay. So first substitution part is completed. Next one is number of carbons. How many carbons are attached to the main chain? 6 carbons are present. So hex. And what type of bonds? Only single bonds are present. So AN. Last one, functional groups. There is no functional group. Come to the next one. Fifth one. Here also only substitutions are present. This is one substitution. This is another substitution. This is another substitution. Right. Now give the numbering. From this side 1, 2, 3. A third position substitution is attached. From this side 1, 2, 3. Here also from the third side. At the third position substitutions are attached. But from this side 2 substitutions are attached. From this side only one substitution is attached. That's why we have to follow from that side. So now give the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, Nana? Right? Numbering also completed. Now write the name. This substitution's name is chloro. So starts from C. This one is nitro. So starts from M. So in alphabetical order, C comes first. So write first these two. These two are same means and also attached to the same carbon. That's why 3, 3 dichloro. 3, 3 dichloro. Two substitutions are completed. Next one at fourth position, nitro group is there. 4 nitro. 4 nitro. So substitution part is completed. In the long chain, how many carbons are present? 6 carbons are present. So hex. And bond type only single bonds. So N. Okay. Lastly, there is no functional group. No need to write. Last one, sixth one. Okay. Now let's check it. It is very interesting. Very interesting. Most of the students expected here also these 3 are substitutions. These 3 are substitutions, but one small problem is there. This one contains 3 carbons. 3 carbons. This one contains 1 carbon. This one contains 1 carbon. No problem. If you write this one as a open chain, again I will draw this structure. See all of you carefully. CH3, CH2. CH3, CH3. Okay. Next C3H7 means CH2, CH2, CH3. This is C3H7. Dot to this part is C3H7. Okay. And this one is CH3. Now identify which is the long chain and which are the substitutions in this compound. Okay, in the remaining one only CH3 is there, or sometimes C2H5 is given, so there is no problems. But here indirectly given on long chain indirectly given, like just type that one means combine the carbons here. 3 carbons are combined and write as a C3H7. Now open that chain. After opening, it looks like this type of structure. Now it is very clear. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is the long chain. This part is the long chain. Okay, Nana? And these three CH3, these 3 are acts as a substitutions. Okay. Now to give the numbering, check from both sides. 1, 2, 3. At third carbon, these methyl groups are attached. 1, 2, 3, 4. At fourth carbon, this methyl group is attached. So which one gives the lowest number means from this side. So give numbering 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, right. Numbering also completed. Now write the name. Write the name means first substitutions. 1, 2, 3. These 3 are same methyl groups. Now identify the positions. These 2 are attached at third position. So 3, 3. And this one is attached at fourth position. 4. So these 3 are same. That's why I am writing direct numbers. And these 3 are same means trimethyl. Okay. Substitution part is completed. Next, number of carbons. In long chain, how many carbons are there? 7 carbons are there. So hept. And what type of bonds? Only single bonds. So A. Last one, there is no functional group. So completed 6th one also. Next, 7th one. Once see this structure, it contains a number of chains. Okay, there is no functional group, there is no multiple group bond, but substitutions are present. But you have to identify which is the longest chain in this given organic compound. Okay, check. Actually, this is one chain. This chain contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay, 6th one. Another chain is there. This is another chain. This chain contains 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Better than first one. Now one more chain is there. This is another chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. It is also contains 7. This is another chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very less. This is another chain. This is another chain. But it is very clear one chain is present. That chain contains more number. That is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is the biggest chain here. This is the biggest chain in this organic compound. Okay, Nana? Right? So, remaining. This is one substitution. This is one substitution. This is another substitution. Total 3 substitutions are present. And how to give the numbering? From this side, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. At 5th position, substitution is attached. But here, 1, 2, 3. At 3rd position, substitution is attached. So from which side you have to prefer? From this side. So 1, 2. This is 3. This is 4. This is 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I think better to write these numbers with pencil. Okay, right. Even answers also write with pencils for homeworks. Right. Numbering completed, Nana. Then how to write the name? How to write the name? Okay. First write the substitution. How many substitutions are there? 3 substitutions. This is CH2 CH3 means ethyl because 2 carbons. CH5 it is ethyl. This is also ethyl. This is methyl. 2 ethyls, 1 methyl. So ethyl starts from E. Methyl starts from M. So ethyl starts from E means in alphabetical order E comes first. So give priority to these 2. So this one is attached at 4th carbon. This one attached at 5th carbon. So 4, 5 diethyl. 4, 5 diethyl. This is methyl group attached at the 1, 2, 3rd position. So 3 methyl. 3 methyl. Substitution part is completed. Now in long chain how many carbons are present? 9 carbons. So non. And what type of bonds? Only single bonds. So A. So nonane. No functional groups. So this is the name of this organic compound. Now come to the 8th one. In 8th one, first identify actually there is no functional groups, there is no multiple bond. But we have to identify which is the long chain and which are the substitutions. Actually here also first how many long chains are there? This is one chain. This is one chain. This is one chain. And this is one chain. This is one chain. So many chains are there, but you can easily identify 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the long chain. Long chain. Now which are the substitutions? This is one substitution. This is another substitution. Are you understand? Now give the numbering. 1, 2, 3, 4. At 4th position, one substitution is present. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is also at 4th position. But this is the bigger one, this is smaller one. This is ethyl, 2 carbons. This is methyl, 1 carbon. So give numbering from this side. Okay, Rana. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So now these 2 are substitutions. Now write the name. This is methyl. Only 1 carbon is present. Means this is methyl. 2 carbons contains this is ethyl. So in alphabetical order, ethyl comes first at 4th position. 4 ethyl and 5 methyl. And 5 methyl. Okay, Nana. Now number of carbons, 8 carbons in long chain. So 8 means octet. Only single bonds N. There is no functional groups, so no need to write. Next, come to the 9th one. In this one, it is very clear. This is also these 2 are same. CH3, 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 CH3. These 2 are same, Nana. Okay, right. Here, these 2 are substitutions. This is the long chain. Even reverse also same. These 2 are taken as substitution. This is long chain. Okay, means these 2 are substitutions. This is the long chain. How to give the numbering? From any side, numbering is same. 1, 2, 3. These two substitutions means this is one method, this is another method. These two are attached to the second carbon. So 2, 2 dimethyl. 2, 2 dimethyl. 3 carbons means prop. Only single bonds means ane, propane. Actually, prop. If propane. Okay, clear. Completed. Now come to the 10th one. 10th one. I think it is very easy. So now we have one idea about IUPAC nomenclature. Now identify that which is a big chain here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay? Right. These two are substitutions, very clear. So from which side we have to prefer the numbering? For lowest rule, prefer from this side because at second position a substitution is attached. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Very easy now. Very easy. Right. These two are methyl groups. These two are methyl groups. Only one carbons are present. One is attached to the second carbon. Another one is attached to the third carbon. So 2, 3 dimethyl. 2, 3 dimethyl. How many carbons? 8 carbons. So octane. Completed. Only single bonds and substitutions type of organic compounds examples completed. Now enter into the multiple bonds. Check it. 11th one. Is there any functional group? No functional group. Is there any multiple bond? Yes, it is very clear. Multiple bond is present. A double bond is present between these two carbons. Okay, based on the multiple bond, give the numbering. Give the numbering. So from this side you have to prefer from this side for first carbon this double bond is attached. From this side 1 to a second carbon double bond is attached. So we have to follow the lowest rule. So give numbering from this side 1, 2, 3. Okay, right? Now write the name. First substitutions. There is no substitutions. Next, second one, number of carbons. In long chain, how many carbons are there? Only 3 carbons are there. So 3 carbons means prop. Next, bond type. What type of bond is present? Double bond is present. And also mention at which position double bond is present. Double bond is present at first carbon and second carbon. So which is the lowest number? 1. So prop 1. In. Double bond means in. Prop 1 in. Okay. And also lastly write the functional group, but there is no functional group. Right. So prop in. Also write like that this one. Propene. No problem. Propene. Because multiple bond at first position, that is no problem to us. So propene. Or sometimes this is also write like this. 1 propene. 1 propene. These 3 are same, these 3 are also correct. Let's come to the 12th one. 12th one. Is there any functional group? There is no functional group because only carbons and hydrogens are present here. Is there any multiple bond? Yes, here one multiple bond is present. Here one multiple bond is present. Based on that multiple bond, give the numbering. And also we have to follow the lowest rule. So lowest rule is from this side 1, 2, 3, 4. At 5th position, multiple bond is starts attached. From this side 1, 2, 3. At 3rd position, multiple bond present. So from which side we have to give the numbering from this organic compound mean from that side because that follows the lowest one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And also substitutions are present. This is one substitution, this is another substitution. Just identify the substitutions. But no need to give priority to give the numbering for based on substitutions because already main person multiple bond is present. Based on that multiple bond, we already given the numbering. But for name, writing the name, substitutions are most important. Right? For now, write the name. First, write the name. What is the first one? Substitutions. Second one, number of carbons. Third one, bond type. Fourth one, functional group. So first one, substitution. CH3, CH3, both are same and attach that at 5th position and also 7th position. So 5 comma 7 dimethyl, right? Substitution part is completed. Next, number of carbons. Number of carbons means in long chain 8 carbons are present. So 8 means oct. Next, bond type, single bond, double bond or triple bond. Double bond is present. At what position double bond is present? Actually, double bond is present between 3rd and 4th carbons. So what is the last number? Least number 3. So oct 3 ene. Double bond ene. Okay, completed. Next one. Functional group. There is no functional group. Completed this one. Now come to the 13th one. For 13th one, listen carefully all of you. Here there is no functional group. Multiple bond, here one multiple bond, here one multiple bond is present. Give the numbering. From this side 1 to at second place, at second carbon, multiple bond attached. From this side 1 2. Here also from second carbon, multiple bond is present. But of course we have to give the numbering. 1, 2, both sides same, no problem. 3, 4, 5, 6. But in this compound, 2 double bonds are present. Remember that point. So now write the name. First write the substitutions. There is no substitutions. Now write the number of carbons. How many carbons present in this long chain? 6 carbons. So hex. Next, bond type. Okay, double bond is present. But which position double bond is present? At between 2 and 3, one double bond is present. Between 4 and 5, one double bond is present. If between 2 and 3 means at second position. Between 4 and 5 means fourth position. 2 comma 4 di. Why are writing di means 2 double bonds are present. Diene. Okay, there is no functional group, right? So completed up to 13. Yes, 14th one. In this compound, there is no functional group, but one multiple bond is present. But what type of multiple bond? Triple bond is present. Based on this triple bond, give the numbering. From this side, 1, 2. At second carbon, triple bond is present. From this side, 1, 2, 3. At third carbon, triple bond is present. So numbering gives from this side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now write the name. First one, substitutions. There is no substitutions. And number of carbons. How many carbons in this long chain? 5 carbons. So pentane. Next, bond type. What type of bond is present? Triple bond is present. Of course, remaining are all single bonds, but priority gives to the triple bond here. So triple bond is present, and the triple bond is attached between 2 and 3. In this one, which is the least number 2. So give the 2. Pent 2 ine. Because triple bond means ine, alkyne. There is no functional group. Right. Next, 15th. Here also there is no functional group, but multiple bond is present. Multiple bond is present. Double bond is present, and also triple bond is present. But I explained. I already told you. Give main priority to the double bond. If competition between double and triple is present in any organic compound, give priority to the double bond. But based on the position, actually here triple bond 1 at second position it is present, but double bond 1 to third position it is present. So gives to this one only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Because triple bond is attached to that lowest number. Okay, once check this compound. Here double bond is attached to the first carbon. From this side, triple bond is attached to the first carbon. Now give the which one gives the main priority means if these two are at the same positions, double and triple bond. Then give the main priority to the double bond only. So this type of compounds we give main priority double bond. For this type of compounds, all in triple bond at lowest position. So give this one. In some compounds, double bond at the lowest position when compared with the triple bond, give the priority to the double bond. If those two are present at the same positions, give the main priority to the double bond. Okay, right here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, now this one name. Numbering completed. Here one substitution is present, it is very clear. First write the substitution name. At 6th position, 6-methyl. Completed. Next, number of carbons in long chain, 7 carbons are there, so hept. Next, bond type, 2 bonds are there. One is double bond and the one is triple bond. First, every time we have to write first double bond only. Double bond at 4 and 5 carbons. So at 4th position, 4 ene and 2 and 3 means 2 ine. Okay, completed. This is the order. First all double bond, next triple bond in naming. Next one, 16th one. Here there is no substitutions, only number of carbons 5, so pent. Next, bond type, double bond, triple bond both are present. Double bond at first position, so 1 ene. Triple bond at 4th position, 5 ine. Sorry, 4 ine. So 15, 16 also completed. Now come to the 17th one. Skeletal form is given. Now it is very easy, no problem to you. In this one there is no functional group, but multiple bond is present. But based on that multiple bond, give the numbering and also identify the long chain with multiple bond. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the long chain, very clear. This is substitution. This is also substitution. Give the numbering from this side. If it is very clear, lowest number comes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now write the name of this compound. First substitution at 3rd and 4th position, both are methyl groups. So 3, 4 dimethyl. Okay, completed. Number of carbons in the long chain, 5 carbons. So pent. And multiple bond present at double bond present at 2nd position, so 2 ene. Now come to the 18th one. Of course, here also no functional groups, only multiple bond is present. Multiple bond, based on multiple bond, give the numbering and also identify the long chain with multiple bond. So 1, 2, 3. Okay, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the long chain. But some students expected 1, 2, sir, here attached, sir. But we have to follow this one like that. Don't go like this side. Okay, very important. Some students use numbering like that, 1, 2, 3, and at 2nd position double bond attached, sir. The double bond follows the number 2 and 3. You have to follow like that. But here there is no double bond. Just attach one carbon only. But in the numbering, the 2 carbons must be present in that numbering. Okay, so this is the wrong number. So what is the correct numbering? 1, 2, 3 and 4. Between 3 and 4 double bond is present. 5, 6, 7, 8. This is the long chain along with multiple bond. This is the substitution. Now write the name. Substitution only one carbon is methyl at 4th position. 4-methyl. Completed. Next. How many carbons in the long chain? 8 carbons. So oct. Next one. Bond type, double bond at which position? At 3rd and 4th means 3rd position. 3 E. Right? So one type of examples explanation completed. Okay? Right. In next video, I will make one more. I will explain the remaining examples also. Right? Thank you very much.